Baking a perfect chocolate chip cookie is an art that requires precision, patience, and a love for delicious treats. It's not just about mixing ingredients and throwing them in the oven, but rather a series of careful steps that ensure a soft, gooey, and mouth-watering outcome. First, gather all the necessary ingredients: butter, sugars, both brown and white, eggs, vanilla extract, flour, baking soda, salt, and of course chocolate chips. We'll put our favorite recipe in the description below. Remember to preheat the oven to around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Start by creaming the butter and sugars together until they become light and fluffy. This can be done with an electric mixer or some good old-fashioned elbow grease. Then beat in the eggs one at a time, along with the vanilla extract, until everything is well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to the creamy butter mixture, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as it can lead to tough cookies. Once the dough is ready, fold in the chocolate chips, distributing them evenly throughout. Now comes the hard part: chilling the dough. While it may be tempting to skip this step and dive right into the baking, chilling the dough for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight, allows the flavors to meld and prevents the cookies from spreading too much in the oven. When the dough is properly chilled, scoop teaspoon-sized portions onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, spacing them a few inches apart. Bake for around 10-12 minutes, or until they turn golden brown around the edges. Remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This will ensure that they retain their shape and don't crumble. And voila, you have successfully baked the perfect chocolate chip cookie. Now it's time to grab a glass of milk, find a cozy spot, and savor each delightful bite. Did we forget any useful tips? Let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know what you'd like to learn more about next.